Okay, had a little hiccup today. Had to go run and fix the toilet, and then I got caught up visiting with Dad in there. But I got a little more done. There's the radiator again. You can see how I've got her cut and ready to go in now. I still got some polishing to do on them. But there's the 5/16 hole. I'll put rubber pad it here. Possibly. Thinking, depends on room. Might cut a piece of inner tube, put in there or that belting I have up here. Whatever, I think that'll be thin enough. Just something to isolate the vibration. But you can see here I got the flat piece in here, the base plate all welded in, set into place. My tabs here on the mounting tabs here on the radiator. This stuff is real hard to bend, but real careful. I heat that with the torch a little. I can get that to bend over and take that 90 there out of it a little and get it to, well, get it to pull up in here a little straighter so I can come right into these right here, my tabs here, and then drop the 5/16 bolt in there and bolt her in. I've test fitted it a whole bunch of times, but I think that's the plan. That's the plan for now. But didn't get a whole bunch. I probably didn't get 4 hours on it total today. Like I said, had other things come up and visit and helping Dad in the house. Took a bunch. But he did come over and sit in a chair and talked. So it's all good. It's all shop time. And, well, really we were talking about the car too, so it's kind of, yeah, you can say I got 4 hours in it, even though a lot of it was listening to him sitting in the chair talking about everything and stuff we're gonna do and might do, and yeah. Another thing about stuff that we do order and stuff, there's the original tank. It didn't have a gas cap on it. I don't know how long it was without a gas cap. This tank is probably chocked full. But I found one on eBay. They do make repops of these. I think it was 160 bucks, 165 or 225 for a poly tank. Thinking about giving that a shot. It's a lot better than trying to recondition these. And you can see where this one here kind of got a little modification done to it there, with a tree stump or something. I don't know, something hit it and knocked it up in there. Probably cut it down a gallon and a half, I don't know. Anyway, not gonna even bother trying to use it. It's probably not worth the effort to make that one work. So we'll just order one of them repop ones, and fits right back in the hole, everything. And it even comes with the bands and a sending unit. So we're going to give it a shot. Never tried this company before, but we're going to give it a go. That's where I am today. Got a little done. Got the metal hot, so it's still a hot rod, right? But tomorrow, I hope that's in there and that's back in there. and then set the hood one more time. Get the measurement on that template one last time, hopefully for the last time, and then punch that hole, put the pedal assembly up on it, because that's what sandwiches and holds the brake booster on, and then run that support bar up to the dash that holds it all in place and supports it all, so the brake booster don't do this, and the pedal inside does this when you step on it. Everything's rock solid and set. Then once I got that, then I cut the hole for the steering column, and the steering column will mount onto the bottom of the dash. I'll set the seat in there on some blocks. Make sure that the steering wheel is in the center of your chest or really close to it, so it doesn't feel like you're sitting in the passenger seat when you're driving. So the steering wheel's right in the center of you. And then I'll know my exhaust. The shorty headers, they're not going to work. That was another thing I wanted to show. These are the motor mounts that I got from Speedway. In the catalog it says that these are for the stock frame rubber mounts, but they're a little bit off on them. The rubber mounts are actually about that wide. These are way narrow. But it's not a wash. Look how thick they are. And they do bolt right on to the block. No problem. They're good. They're good steel. They're worth it. I'll take these and I'll throw them in to the box, the shorty header box, and I'll put them back up in the rat's nest with the motor mounts, because I can fabricate a frame mount for these, and we're thinking about making a go fast one, and that we can solid mount instead of rubber mounting. So we'll try that, and all in all, they're not too bad. And if you figure they were going to charge, what, $10 shipping to ship in the cooling fan, these just boosted it over $100. And with $100 through Speedway, you get free shipping. These were $15 a piece. So, all in all, those were actually $5 because of what they saved me on the shipping. So, they work. $5. I can save them for another project. And, like I said, they look high quality. I kind of like them. Okay, that's where we're at today. There's the butterfly hood. You can see where she's been. That's that bend over, twist over, nasty. This is the hood right here. The side that's been smashed, crushed over, and they've tried to body work it back out. That's going to take some work. The core support was twisted and bent too. I got it straightened as much as I could. So when it's set in there, before I make my mount, I'll come in here and I'll run a string from center of headlight to center of headlight, and I'll match that up to that body line up there, that one bead roll right up there, because that's nice and flat. I'll bubble match it from there and to there, and if that's all straight, the front end will look straight as it's going down the road, instead of like this, and the body's like this, or look like it's torquing off the line just going down the road. Don't want any of that. I want it all nice and straight. But that all comes when I get everything in there and set in there. Okay, that's where I'm at today, and we'll try to jump on her tomorrow. Get another good solid 4 hours in it. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.